Okay, so we are walking here at Saryodaya Hospital, and currently we are looking for the bus tickets
for Pune.
for Pune. Yeah, right.
Let's see. Even we don't know about the station of Best.
Yeah,
Sorry, ST.
we don't know how to go actually, but we are like figuring out because we have to leave in the morning at 7 o'clock.
Exactly.
Lightings and all, and now here comes the Dhaka road. We have to go somewhere here.
No, somewhere right. Somewhere left, I guess. Straight away. Straight.
Okay, we need to cross. So we have finally found the place that is there, and now we are checking the timing for our bus, which doesn't seem to be here.
Where is our ST?
So we have reached to Vara. The place name is Vara. And first we took a travelers from Ghatpura. We got off at the place called, what was the name? Yeah, we got off at Khed. From Khed we got into Jeep. So it was like they charged us something 60 bucks per head. So it cost us like 60 bucks per head. Then we had to then we have to go like further more. Like I genuinely don't know how more we have to travel. Like we left home at 7 o'clock in the morning and it's already like 3 o'clock. And we've been like out for like so many hours. I'm so like I just wanna like go. Right now we are waiting for somebody to come and pick us up. My friend has sent somebody, like the guy, his cousin or someone, to pick us because we don't know how to help us. So that there's like we've got to meet some good people, man. We gotta meet some good people, and they helped us to get it here, and then they just showed us, and then still they're like telling us how from here, and we don't have any other options. Like we don't have anybody with us. Like we're like alone, and so actually I'm out with my friend too. So like we are like two of us. We are alone. Yay! So, guys, this is the second day of our trip to Pune to our friend's village, and it's like I think it's 7 o'clock in the morning. We got up at 6 o'clock just to see the view in the morning, and look at that. Ignore that friend of mine. So actually we are waiting for the sunrise because we want to see the sunrise and we want to like record the whole, the scenario, the whole I love sunrise and sunsets, so I want to really see, like I think it's about to rise, the sun is about to rise, because as you can see, okay, is it visible? From there you can see there's a little, sun rays are coming. So I don't really wanna say this, but we didn't get to see the sunrise. There's no sun. We come all the way to see the sunrise, but it seems like there is nothing. See, there is nothing. Nothing at all. I can't believe that. We thought we were in the wrong direction, looking for the sunrise, but it's like there is in no direction. The sun is there. My God, is that the sun?
Are you sure is the way?
Forget about it. So we are just confirming with each other whether we are on the right way or not, because when we came up, when we came up, we took the wrong turn to come, and that is the reason. My goodness. So there is, we haven't had bath. We're gonna have it later on. We're just here because we're so obsessed with the view. That's the only reason we are here. So obsessed with the view. As you can see,
We were in the wrong
it's
place.
like, even though we are in the wrong place, the view is like so awesome. That is the reason why we just want to go here and there. So yeah, we found a way to go down.
You're recording by back camera.
I'm recording with the front. So now we are like going down. I don't really feel like going down. It's more fun here